For as long as humanity has existed, we have looked to the night sky with a profound sense of curiosity. Long before telescopes, satellites, or space exploration, our ancestors saw patterns in the stars and wondered what lay beyond them. Every civilization, in its own way, asked the same timeless question: are we alone? Today, modern astronomy has revealed a universe far greater than our ancestors could have imagined. Our Sun is just one star among hundreds of billions in the Milky Way. Beyond our galaxy lie hundreds of billions more, each containing countless stars and almost certainly countless planets. Over the past 3 decades, astronomers have confirmed the existence of more than 5,000 planets orbiting distant stars. Some are giant gas worlds larger than Jupiter. Others are rocky planets that may resemble Earth. With every new discovery, the possibility that life exists elsewhere in the universe becomes increasingly difficult to dismiss. Yet despite all our technological advances, humanity has never confirmed the existence of another intelligent civilization. For decades, scientists searching for extraterrestrial life have focused on familiar approaches. Radio telescopes listen for artificial signals crossing the vastness of space. Robotic missions search for traces of ancient microbial life on Mars. Spacecraft investigate the frozen oceans hidden beneath the icy crusts of moons like Europa and Enceladus. These efforts continue to expand our understanding of the universe. But one Harvard astronomer believes we may have overlooked another possibility. What if the first evidence of another civilization does not arrive as a message? What if it arrives as an object? An object built long ago. An object traveling silently between the stars. An object that briefly entered our own solar system before disappearing forever into the darkness of interstellar space. It sounds like science fiction. Yet for Dr. Avi Loeb, it became a scientific question worthy of investigation. Unlike many public figures associated with unidentified aerial phenomena, Dr. Avi Loeb did not begin his career studying UFOs. He built his reputation as one of the world's leading astrophysicists. Born in Israel, Loeb's fascination with science led him to Harvard University, where he would spend decades exploring some of the universe's deepest mysteries. His research covered subjects ranging from black holes and the formation of the first stars to cosmology and the evolution of galaxies. Over the years, he chaired Harvard's Department of Astronomy, directed the Institute for Theory and Computation, and published hundreds of peer-reviewed scientific papers. His career reflected the traditional values of science: rigorous analysis, evidence-based reasoning, and intellectual curiosity. But alongside those accomplishments, Loeb became increasingly interested in a question that many scientists considered speculative. If intelligent civilizations exist elsewhere in the universe, how should we search for them? For decades, the scientific community has largely relied on projects such as SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, which listens for radio signals that might reveal technologically advanced civilizations. Loeb agreed that this work was important, but he believed there was another avenue worth exploring. Advanced civilizations, if they exist, may leave behind more than radio transmissions. Just as humanity has launched probes beyond Earth, another civilization might also send spacecraft, scientific instruments, or technological artifacts into interstellar space. If that were true, some of those objects could eventually pass through other planetary systems, including our own. For years, this idea remained purely theoretical. There was simply no evidence that such an object had ever been observed. Then, in October 2017, everything changed. On the evening of October 19th, astronomers operating the Pan-STARRS telescope in Hawaii detected a faint object moving rapidly across the sky. At first, it appeared to be just another small body passing through the solar system. Discoveries like this happen regularly. But as astronomers calculated its trajectory, they realized they were looking at something extraordinary. This object had not originated within our solar system. It had traveled across the vast distances between the stars. Humanity had just discovered the first confirmed interstellar visitor ever observed. Astronomers gave it a Hawaiian name, Oumuamua. The name translates to a messenger from afar arriving first. No one realized it at the time. But this small, distant object was about to challenge long-held assumptions, divide the scientific community, and place one Harvard professor at the center of one of the most fascinating debates in modern astronomy. Because the more scientists studied Oumuamua, the stranger it became. In the next chapter, we'll examine the remarkable characteristics of Oumuamua, why it puzzled astronomers around the world, and why Dr. Avi Loeb believed it deserved far more attention than it received. At the Unknown Frontier Media, we don't tell you what to believe. We explore the evidence, examine the science, and invite you to draw your own conclusions. Until next time, keep looking up, because the greatest discoveries may still lie beyond our horizon.